Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Today video we are going to be styling a tank top in a 3 unique way that you would love to style your tank top. In case you have tank top and you don't know what to wear with it, I'm going to show you guys and it's going to be nice and it's going to be amazing. If you style it the way I'm going to style them, and people will know you have great fashion sense. So my coolest people, my lovely people, let's go. You can see the way we style the tank top, very nice with the cream joggers on, very cool. And again, we put cream Adidas on, very chill, very nice as well. I like the way the tank top look, very vibrant as well, very nice, very cool. Make sure you adjust your hair, getting ready. You put necklace on, you put bracelets, wristwatch, rings, get ready. I like the vibe. Honestly, the summer is ready. The vibe is ready. You see how look cool I have? I like the vibe. Honestly, the tank top look cool on me very well, very nice, very chill as well. You see the way he look, you're gonna looking really the same, and people will know you have a great fashion sense if you style your tank top like this. You see the way I'm styling them. You see the way I style them. Very nice, very cool, very chill, relaxing. I like the vibe as well. If you don't have the same similar trousers or joggers, you can put nice cream trousers on or nice cream joggers on. It doesn't have to be the same as a put-on. If you can get the same, that's fine. But I'm showing you the way you can make your tank top look cool. Or else you're gonna be getting compliment. If you looking like this, if you step out, people will know you have great fashion sense and they'll be giving compliment because I can tell they look cool on me. If I step out like this, I'll be getting compliment. You'll be getting a lot of compliment. So why not try it? And at least they know you have great fashion sense and you're confident with it as well. So you need to style your tank top like this and you're gonna be looking cool. Clean your shoe, game ready. I don't think the tank top needs to be ironed. If you need it to be ironed, you need to iron them, press them, 5 minutes take you. Your trousers or your jeans you want to put on or the jogger, just iron it. Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes take you. You're getting clean, you're getting fresh, you're getting ready. I like the vibe, I can't lie to you. The vibe is just cool. The color as well and the print as well. You just make more sense. Everything just cool, chill, summer vibe, getting ready. I need to put sunglasses on because it's gonna bring the tank top alive more, better. You're gonna see how they're gonna look. What are you gonna see? What you seeing? Does it look cool? I know, and that's how it's gonna look really cool on you. I can't lie you, I like the vibe. The vibe is cool. With the sunglasses, let me check it again. Yeah, it's cool. You see the way he look, very stylish. It cool. It look nice. Just do the same way. Style it the way I'm styling right now. You can see how cool it is. If you don't have the same one like printing all over there at the phone, you can get a black long one or the one you have. You can style it the way I'm styling right now. Put your joggers on, put your trainers on, put your bracelets on, your wristwatch, your ring, your sunglasses, get ready. Adjust your hair. Any type of the hair you like. You like to braid it, braid your hair. You like to cut your hair, cut it. You like to spray it. Do all kind of nice stuff to your hair. You're gonna be nicer. You're gonna be cool. You're gonna be vibing. I like the vibe. Honestly, the tank top is just amazing. The way the tank top feel, you can see like it look cool on me, and it's gonna look the same way on you too. If you style it the way I'm styling right now, see how cool it is. Everything just looking kind of trending and nicer, like fashion sense in another level. Me too, I just like it. Honestly, I like the tank top. When I get them, I'm excited to put it on to show you guys because the vibe is there. And I'm thinking different, thinking about how I'm gonna make it look cool so you guys can have it and take the tips away and style it the same way I'm styling them, and you're gonna be dapper, you're gonna be clean, you're gonna be fresh, and people will know you have great fashion sense. When they first see you, they will be happy. They will see how you look cool, you look nice. You will get compliment, trust me. If you styling what I'm styling right now, the way I put them together, people will give a compliment 100%. Then will you come back, then you will let me know. If you style the same way, if you step out, people will, they will say, how you go, great fashion sense, you be. Then you will tell, you will come back and drop the comment because when I step out, people been giving a lot of compliment. any day, anyhow. I've been getting compliment because they know I got great fashion sense. So I'm passing back to you because you have a lot of flaws in your wardrobe, and I want you to style it the way I'm styling right now. If you don't, go and get some affordable one, and you're gonna be cool. What I'm putting on is affordable one. You can get it, and if you get it, you're gonna be looking nice as well. So my nicest, my coolest people, you can see it's the way the second style look amazing. I like this one because there's a print everywhere. The joggers, the tank top, everything looking really nice and stylish vibe as well. Fresh summer vibe. Look at that. Look the way he look. Amazing. Then we put Air Force One on. You see how I make everything look cool. If you don't have the other cream joggers, another joggers is ready. Look how cool it is. You see how the color combination looking really flashy, really looking nicer. Come cool as well. Look, it look cool on me like this. And if you style it this way, people will know you have great fashion. Say, look at that. I like the print everywhere around the joggers as well and the top as well. Everything just makes more sense. Look, very nicer, cool. Look, honestly, I like this vibe. And I like the way the joggers as well, the color. It make more sense. What do you guys think? Does it not look cool? It does to me. And if you try the same way, it's gonna look really cool on you. With my own sunglasses on, I like it. The vibe is there. They can feel it. They know I got great fashion sense. And you too, you got great fashion sense. If you style it the way I'm styling right now, and people will give me compliment, and they will give you too compliment. So we all gonna be in compliment club every day. They all be giving you compliment because when they see you, they know you're gonna be dapper, you're gonna be fresh, you just cool. They can't wait to see you again. Look at that. I like this vibe. Honestly, I'm enjoying. I'm even excited about it. Can you guys see how the tank top looks? If you have tank top in your wardrobe, styling the way I'm styling right now, you're gonna be cool and you're gonna be dapper, and people will know you're fresh. You get compliment. I bet you will get compliment if you style it this way. If you don't have the same sunglasses, that's fine. The sunglasses you have there, the affordable one you can get, put it on. Make sure the right one, the one that fits your face properly, then you're gonna be looking really cool. Just style them together, then you're gonna be fine. You're gonna be cool. Look the way I am right now. I like it. It's just amazing. It's just cool. And I'm passing back to you. I want you guys to look cool too as well. If you get your own tank top, style it this way. Because the summer is coming, it's ready, it's getting ready. The weather is getting nicer, it's getting better. So what you have to do, put your tank top on, getting ready, your sunglasses on, you already adjust your hair, spray your hair, cut your hair, do all kind of nice stuff to your hair, you're vibing, then you step out, you're looking cool. If I step out like this, I'll get a compliment from left, from right as well. So people will know I got great fashion sense. I like the way the tank tops fit me properly, and it's gonna fit you properly too, because there is no option. If you use styling this, I have to give you compliment. No option. They will give you compliment because you deserve it. Look, I'm enjoying the vibe. I like the vibe. The way it look on me, very nice. I like the joggers. The joggers, and I haven't been wearing the jogger. I don't even know the jogger is very nice like this. Very nice. Now I know it's looking cool. Then I'm happy to put it on. So you too, whatever you have in your wardrobe, try it the way I'm trying right now. You don't know it's looking cool there, but you haven't tried it yet. Take it out, iron it, get ready, hang it. The same way with the tank top. Put it on together with the white Air Force One or what had it that any trainers you know you like. Put it on. It's gonna complement the outfit. The outfit is gonna be nice and fresh, vibing. I like the way it looks. Can you just see it look cool on me? I like it. If you do the same way, you're gonna be getting compliment. I like the vibe as well. Let me try with the toe bag. Because the toe bag gonna make it look at that. Even though it make it more better. Look, the toe bag go with anything. If you know how to make it look, and that's why I'm passing back to you, because it's gonna be looking amazing on you if you do the same way. I like the vibe, my people. So let's move on to the next one. You see the way we make the tank top look with another distressed jeans on. I like the way he look. The color is just cool. There's a green there, there's a green there, there's a green. The color is just cool together combination. If you have any distress jean in your wardrobe, you can style it with your tank top as well. Very cool. And you put Air Force One on, or you put chunky sole loafers on, or you put any trainers that you know you like, your favorite one. I like these. Very cool. Everything just make more sense. I like it. The vibe is there. If I step out of there, people will give me compliment. So the YouTube, they will give you compliment if you use style it the same way. Why can't you not just try? Because it look cool on me. Definitely, it's gonna looking really cool on you. I like the vibe. I can't lie you. I'm enjoying very chill vibe as well. The tank top, he have his own swag. He have his own stylish vibe as well. I'm enjoying the vibe as well. Look, does it look cool? Yes, it does. I like the vibe. I can't tell you anything wrong about this tank top. The way they sold the tank top, it just suit me properly, it fit me properly, and it will fit you properly as well. You have tank top in your wardrobe, get it out, style it the way I'm styling right now. Why not gonna looking really cool on you? Yes, you're gonna do that. It's gonna looking really cool on you because you haven't tried it. If you try it and see the way he look on me, it's gonna looking really cool on you too. So try it. You see the way it look on me right now? And people will give you compliment because they know you are great fashion say it's another level. The vibe is there, the chill vibe is there. Look at that. Your necklace is there, your bracelet is there, your wristwatch is there, your ring is there. Look at that. Everything is there. Then again, let me try. Okay. I don't know to try the Van sunglasses if it's gonna looking really cool or it's gonna, you see, does it not look cool? It look vibey. You see the way the tank top look, does it not look vibey? It look cool. I like it. Even though you don't like it, I like it. And I believe you're gonna like it because you know why? You have been trying on. If you have Van sunglasses, try on. Try on or go and get some. It's gonna looking really cool on you for this summer, and with the tank top as well, it's gonna be nicer. Look at that. I can't even put any different tank top on, and this sunglasses is gonna be make it even more nicer and flashy as well and dripping. I like it. I like it. Nice. Look, everything just look cool together. This is summer vibe. Can you guys see? Does it not look cool? It look cool on me. I like it. I think you need to do the same way. Sunglasses, get some. You're gonna see how they're gonna look really cool on you. Very nice with the tank top. You're gonna be fresh. You're gonna be vibing. Look, I like the vibe. Very nice. I like it. It just cool together. Everything just make more sense. The summer vibe, the vibe is there. Cool. Honestly, I'm enjoying the vibe. What do you guys think? Does it look cool? Yes or no? I'm not gonna try the other glass. I'm gonna leave this on because you know why? We haven't tried something different, and that's why I'm showing you these sunglasses, these Van sunglasses. They go with the tank top as well. You need to go and get yours as well. With this kind of tank top, it's amazing. You see, if you don't know how to make your tank top look cool, look, you can style it the same way I'm doing right now. You see the first one, you see the second one, you see the last one, the way he look on me. If you don't like the first one, you definitely have to like the second one. If you don't like the second one, I bet you need to like this last one. Then again, if you don't like any of the three, you need to come back for more. There's something you're going to be taking away, and it's going to be fashion safe, and you're going to be happy when you try them on, and people will give you compliment. Because if I step out like this, people will smile, they will still give me compliment. You know why? Because every day, every time I step out, I've been getting compliment. Even though from friends, from close friends, from every people, they're giving me compliment. The people I don't even know, they give me compliment. So why you not try the same way, and people will be giving compliment when you step out? Because there's a great fashion sense here, and I'm passing back to you. It's the only place you can see the great fashion sense here. From Sharkcoolstyle, and it's gonna make you cool all the time. And if people see you, they're gonna know you're cool, you're vibing, you're nicer, you chill. I like it. I'm excited already. You guys can see the way I'm feeling because the vibe is there, and it's gonna happen to you. And if you start your tank top party, you're gonna be getting that vibe because you can feel it, the energy, the vibe, and the confidence is there. And I'm passing back to you so you guys can take it. and style the same way I'm styling right now. If you don't have the same tank top, go and get the affordable one you can get and come and style it the way I'm styling right now and step out. I bet you're gonna get a lot of compliments. So I like the first one, the second one, the last one. I don't know which one you like. I know you like something, but I don't know. But if you don't like anything, the first one, the second one, you need to come back for more, because there's gonna be something amazing gonna be coming, and you're gonna like it. There's gonna be tips and tricks and nice vibe as well that I'm gonna show you. New outfit, new style, new jeans, new trouser, new vibing. So you need to come back for more. You're gonna get something. You're all gonna have something you're gonna take away, like the styling tip, the fashion sense, and you're gonna be cool. So when you come back for more, you're gonna be benefit from it. So come back. I know you might not like it. Drop the comment. Let me know whatever you think about the first one, the second one. I'm okay with that. Then again, if you don't even like anything, come back for more. I bet you're gonna like something again next time you come and visit my channel, and I'll be glad as well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you nicest, coolest, amazing. Take care.